Hi, my name is Sienna, and my current role here at Rheinmetall is working with the structural team as a Mechanical Engineering Summer Intern. Rheinmetall is a very large company with over 25,000 employees worldwide, and we also operate here in Australia. We provide really cool gear to the Defence Force, such as vehicles, munitions, mobility technology, and many more. So initially, I wanted to go into screen arts, and back then it wasn't a very prominent industry here in Australia. So I really thought hard about what else could I do, and I really did enjoy maths in high school. So I looked into what careers involved maths, and obviously engineering was one of them. So I started looking into engineering a little bit more and came across the fact that I really just love fluids. And so I began my journey into trying to get a career with fluids. And of course, that's in the mechanical engineering stream. I later then found out that the fluids industry here in Australia is also very, very small. And so I then thought, okay, I'll just continue finishing my degree. So I met my thesis supervisor, and she was a defence supervisor. And so while doing my thesis with her, I learned a lot more about the defence industry. And that really helped with me trying to figure out what I want to do for the rest of my mechanical engineering career. So I went to an industry event with the Queensland University of Technology, where I met many other defence companies, and including Rheinmetall. And from there, I submitted an application to Rheinmetall, and here I am. So as a structural engineer, I get the opportunity to either work from home or from the office. And I do prefer to work at my desk, as I get to interact with my co-workers a lot more, and we joke around a lot. And most of the time I am sitting at my desk working away, but I do, however, get to go and see the vehicles every now and then, and even watch them drive them around on the test track, which is really cool. I actually didn't. I didn't know what Rheinmetall was until I met them at the careers fair at Queensland University of Technology. And from there, I got to see, because I worked with the Australian Army, I noticed that they had quite a few Rheinmetall products there at the base. And so, you marry the two up and you go, okay, I see what they're doing. That's what I want to do. And so that kind of snowballed into me applying. Yeah. So definitely the 3-day weekends every fortnight, and the many other benefits Rheinmetall employees are entitled to, such as discounts at almost all the stores that I shop at. As for my role, it was the opportunity to contribute to meaningful projects within a large organisation. And not many large companies actually offer interns with the opportunity to engage in engineering design to the extent that Rheinmetall does. It's actually a lot more fun than what it seems like. We do go for walks in the afternoon sometimes, and we all take a good walk to the canteen, as well as we do have the graduate committee where a whole bunch of us gets together and we get to plan out activities that is paid for by Rheinmetall. So that includes like axe throwing and beach days. It's really fun. Collaboration between mechanical, electrical, and software engineering is a lot more intricate than I had initially anticipated. I've gained a deeper appreciation for how the different streams come together to create advanced defense systems, and they do actually require a lot of effective communication and teamwork. So teamwork is very important, and we get to talk to each other a lot. Definitely when we had the opportunity to go and sit in the armoured vehicles, it's a completely different world, and you get to appreciate how tight and small the spaces are. My biggest advice to anyone that's finishing up their schoolwork is please don't be afraid to make mistakes. So don't fear failure, as failures and mistakes are such a huge part of the learning process. So don't be afraid to take on challenges. Even if there is a risk of failure, because you can use those setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Definitely don't stress as much, and even if right now you can't really see where you want to go into your career, like you've got your whole life ahead of you. So don't stress about making sure that you pick exactly what you want to do. Just go with the flow, relax, and I'm sure all the opportunities will open up to you, like they have for me.